the upcoming WYZE Lock. In today's video, I will show you guys how to install the new WYZE Lock and also how to program it to your smartphone. Make sure to stick till the end of the video because I'm also sharing my professional tip how you can get the WYZE Lock even more secure at the same time. Stay tuned. So the new WYZE Lock. I just got this lock from WYZE and now I'm making this video in advance teaching you how to install and program it the right way. So when you get your new WYZE Lock, you will know how to do it just like a professional. And also, stick till the end of the video because I'm also showing you how you can get the WYZE Lock even more secure with high security deadbolt. Yes, a high security deadbolt will increase the security of your door in general and you will get a much better combining security, the WYZE Lock and high security deadbolt. Okay, before we're gonna start, I just want to introduce myself. If you're new to my channel, my name is Kobe and I'm with Silver Eagle Locksmith Las Vegas YouTube channel. If you're interested in home security related stuff, learn how to do it yourself the right way, save time and money, consider subscribing. Make sure to take the bell so you don't miss any new videos when I release them. Okay, so with this out of the way, let's move on to the features that the WYZE Lock offering, unlike other smart lock out there. The first thing is going to be the price, of course. So the price is going to be really cutting half of any other smart lock out there. Make sure to check the link down below in the description. I'm sharing a link down below when you can check when this lock is available and where you can purchase it as well. Now, let's talking about the features. So the first thing is going to be the auto lock and unlock feature. Now, installing the WYZE Lock, you will be able to program when it's gonna close automatically behind you. Another feature, which is I think one of the most important thing that they made, and it's really working good, in my opinion, it's very accurate, it's going to be the auto unlock feature. So basically what you can do now is when you're coming back to the house without using your phone at all, you just coming next to your door, porch into the door, and it will automatically unlock it for you. So when you enabling this feature, it will detect that you're next to the door and automatically open it for you without using the app, without using your smartphone, without doing pretty much anything. So it's really convenient, just like I mentioned in my previous video about the WYZE Lock. When my wife coming back from shopping, she can just approach into the door and it's automatically detect that she's there, unlocking it for her. And it's really convenient, guys. And I really like this feature and it works very well. I just want to mention that. Okay, another feature that this lock offering is going to be the auto lock and unlock feature using the WYZE app. So you can use the WYZE app to remote control the deadbolt. Another feature that it's basically a built-in detection sensor into the WYZE Lock. So you don't need to install any additional door detection sensor above the door lock. Unlike many other smart lock out there, you do need to install a special sensor above the door lock just to detect when the door open or shut close. Now the WYZE Lock made it simple and they actually built in the sensor into the lock itself. So this is really good. And another feature is going to be the voice command. So you will be able to use Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa app to remote control the lock using your voice. Another thing which is going to be an additional purchase is the WYZE Lock Keypad. You will be able to purchase an additional keypad and install it outside of the door and using a secure code. So you can use a secure code to get in using the keypad as well. Make sure to check the link down below, guys. I do share a link where you can purchase those products and also check if they're available. Read reviews and more. Okay, so basically we cover pretty much everything. Another thing is going to be the installation, and that's the last part. We'll show you guys how easy it is to install it right now. All you really need is just a screwdriver. Honestly, it's really simple. Combining a high security deadbolt that I will show you as well, how you can secure the door using a high security deadbolt. Of course, it's an optional. You don't have to do it. You can use your current deadbolt and just integrate the WYZE lock to it. But if you want to get a little bit more security, follow my steps and I will show you guys how to do it the right way. Coming up right now. Okay, unboxing the new WYZE lock. What you're gonna have is the new WYZE lock, of course. And you're gonna have the cover plate. It's a magnetic plate that you can put on top after you're finishing the installation. You're gonna have 4 included alkaline batteries, quick start guide, a sticker, an adjustive stripe, and also the back mounting plate. That's what you're gonna install on the back side of your deadbolt lock. Now, the most important is gonna be those 3 adapters. So the adapters for quick set locks is going to be the D shape, it's going to be the green one. The orange shape is going to be for either horizontal or vertical shaped tailpiece. And if you do have a flat shaped tailpiece that's sitting on an angle, so you're going to use the blue one. Now in my case, I'm using a version of Schalge lock, grade 1 high security cylinder that I make, so I'm going to use the blue one. And let's move on to the installation, show you how to do it. Okay, so for the first thing in the installation, it's going to be removing our thumb turn. We're gonna move the 2 securing screws for the deadbolt, and we're gonna use them later on with our back mounting plate for the WYZE lock. Alright, now as I told you before, my Schalge lock came with a standard Schalge keyway, and I'm gonna upgrade that with an actual Mul-t-lock Junior kick cylinder. So this cylinder is available to purchase, and I'm also sharing a link down below where you can purchase it as well. It's just basically increasing the security. It's gonna be much harder to pick or bump using a high security cylinder. That's pretty much it. Let's do that. Now I also want to mention, guys, the Mul-t-lock Junior is just one version of Mul-t-lock. You can use some other versions as well, like the Interactive Plus, the Mul-t-lock MT5. They're much better when it comes to security and to be a drill resistant type of locks. But regardless, the Mul-t-lock Junior is giving great security from my opinion. It's also include 3 keys and ID card if you want to duplicate the keys. So the one most important thing when you do want to install it, you want to make sure that the tailpiece for the Mul-t-lock Junior will match the same as the original, the Schalge. So what you want to do is you want to use a plier, set of pliers, a vice grip, or any cutting tools that you have available in the house, and cut them to match the same size as the Schalge original one. When you're done, you put back, you're putting the new Mul-t-lock Junior and putting back the screw. Okay, we are almost done here. So we're gonna put back the deadbolt. Making sure. Now we're gonna put the back mounting plate that comes with the WYZE lock. Now I'm holding the deadbolt with my hand because I'm used to do it. You can also use the adjustive stripe that came with the WYZE lock and put it. It will help you with the installation. I prefer not to use it this time. That's the same screws that you're gonna use to secure it back using the WYZE mounting plate. Okay, so we're gonna put it on. Make sure it's straight as well before you finally tighten the screws. Now also, you want to make sure that the tail piece is going to be in the middle of the actual middle hole right here. You don't want it to be too low or too high. That way it will put pressure on the adapter and it will not work as it should be. So make sure it's going to be right in the middle. And then finally tighten the screws. As you can see, all I use is just actual Phillips screwdriver. Really easy installation, not a rocket science. Okay, I'm gonna choose the right adapter. So my adapter is going to be the blue one because I have a flat shaped tailpiece sitting on an angle. And what you want to do is basically putting this side of the adapter like this. Just tuck it like that. And you have to make sure before you connecting the WYZE lock to the mounting bracket that the thumb turn is going to be vertical. Okay. All right. And just put it in just like this. And the last thing is going to be securing the 2 screws on the side. So you're going to have to use a small version of a Phillips and probably have one in the house. That's pretty much it, guys. It's really simple as what I showed you. Now also you have a high security key, high quality, high security key, Mul-t-lock Junior. You can also use other versions such as Mul-t-lock, Interactive Plus, Classic, MT5, any other kick cylinder that have a lazy tailpiece will work with this deadbolt, the Schalge grade 1 deadbolt. So that works just great for me. And we're done with the installation, guys. Let's move on to the programming and the good stuff. Moving up. Okay, so now after finishing with the WYZE lock installation, we're gonna move on to the programming. We're gonna click the top right 3 dots and we're gonna add a product. We're gonna choose our WYZE lock. And the first thing that we're gonna have to do is to actually plug in the WYZE lock gateway into the power outlet near the door. So it's gotta be close enough to the door, remember that. I'm gonna click next. And when it will flash blue and red, showing it that is in pairing mode, then you're gonna click next. And what pop out on the screen, you're gonna click on that. And it will connect it to the gateway. Now you're gonna choose your home or business Wi-Fi network and you're gonna put your password. And continue. Okay, so now it's connecting the lock, the actual gateway, sorry, to your Wi-Fi network and connecting it to the WYZE Cloud as well. Now you can name it or you can choose the suggestion, which is Lock Gateway, and click Save. Okay, so gateway setup complete. Let's begin with the WYZE lock setup. And lock installation guide. We're gonna skip the installation guide, of course. Now press and hold the pair button until the lock beeps, about 3 seconds, and when you release, a flash green light should appear. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna click next. It's connecting the WYZE lock to the gateway and then to the WYZE cloud. Okay, now it's connecting it to the WYZE cloud. And we're gonna hear that sound that's gonna come up right now. It means that the setup is complete. Almost. Alright, that's the sound. Connection successful. Now let's do calibrate. And before that, we can put the front plate back. Don't forget to lock that slot for the battery. And click calibrate. Close the door and manually lock the deadbolt. Was closed. Closing it. And click next. Manually unlock the deadbolt and open the door. Okay, and click next. Partially close the door so it's slightly ajar. And click next. Close the door and manually lock the deadbolt. And click next. Okay, now basically it's doing the final calibration. Probably determine if it's left or right-handed door. When it's done, you can choose the suggested name or name it whatever you want. I'm gonna choose garage door and save. Lock setup complete, guys. That's pretty much it. Now, if I'm going back here, you can see the lock and the actual lock gateway on the screen. If you have one of their cameras, the WYZE cameras, you will see it also in the app. And unlocking. And as you can see, it locks it automatically and also send me a push notification. And I can unlock it by tapping the actual circle and the logo and get the notification and lock it back again. Okay, so it will also show you the log of today and all the week, I guess, of all the actual events that happened with the lock, how it got open and when and who. And on the setting here, you can choose auto lock at once you close the door, 1 minute, 5, 10, 30, or 60 minutes. You can disable it as well if you don't like the auto lock feature. And here is the interesting part. The auto unlock feature by default is disabled. And if you want to enable it, let's do the steps right now. So you're gonna have to choose on the settings and enable location. Go to setting, location, always. Okay, go back to the app and enable it. Now we'll choose your location on the map. What I like to do is to put the address of where I live, and that's what you should do, and done. And that's pretty much it. It will work. I tried it, of course, before I make this video, and it works just fine, and I didn't have any issues, and I think it's really awesome. It's so much comfortable. My wife's gonna be super happy about that, and I'm pretty sure that you guys as well. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. I'm going back to the screen here, and if you have any questions, just write a comment down below in the description of the video. I'll be more than happy to answer it. And that's it, guys. Okay guys, so now you know how to install the new WYZE Lock combining with high security Deadbolt. If you have any questions regarding the installation, the programming, or anything in general, just write a comment down below in the description of the video, and I promise that I will answer as soon as I can. And if you didn't do so, like my video, don't forget, like, share. It's really helping me because this is how YouTube rewards me. So make sure to like my videos. Thank you. And also, if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. Make sure to take the bell so you don't miss any future videos. And also make sure to check my other videos that I made about some other smart locks, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you so much.